Introducing our officials for this match. First referee, Mr. Romulo Mong Reforzado, National Referee. Second referee, Mr. Jess Villarreal, National Referee. Let's call on the starting lineup from our Lady Altas of the University of Perpetual Health System, Daltas. Let's start off with our guest player with jersey number 2, Michelle Datuin. At number 5, Nori Diaz. At number 8, April Sartin. Wearing jersey number 10, Sandra De Los Santos. At number 15, Honey Royce Tubino. And their team captain with jersey number 11, Kesh De Luna. Libero, number 3, Angelique Beatriz Dionela. Head coach, Mr. Mike Rafael. Calling on our Lady Falcons from the Adamson University. Wearing jersey number 2, Paulina Soriano. At number 10, Angelica Kinlob. Wearing jersey number 14, May Jennifer Macatuno. And their team captain with jersey number 8, Angela Benting. Guest player with jersey number 17, Michelle Laborte. And guest player with jersey number 11, Nerissa Bautista. Libero, number 1, Angelica Vasquez. Head coach, Miss Minerva Dulce Pante.
Oh, we notice here that Adamson has actually mixed up their starting lineup here, folks. They will be starting with May Macatuno instead of Des Patilano. And ito pa rin ang nagiging jump ball dito para kay Coach Minerva Dulce Pante. Which starter will I put in the setting position? Yan, kawitada. Oh, doon, dito na. Which starter do I put in the setting position? Des Patilano, of course, being the more veteran of the two, May Macatuno. But Macatuno is very, very talented also in that starting spot as a setter.
Well, of course, coming here in the Shakey's V-League, a coach would want to give the new players, exposure. And she's very confident that, look at the core of the squad. You have Nerissa, Mick, Pao Soriano, Angela Benting. You have these really star players. So the setter, talaga mahahasa ka agad.
And then, in contrast naman, itong kupunan na Perpetual with a very good starting center. You can see her on your screens. That was Kesh De Luna. Starting things off here, the service will belong to Perpetual. As makikita natin dito si Pao Soriano. Of course, Pao Soriano and Angela Benting were actually two of the coaches during the Shakey's summer camp. The Shakey's summer camp. Kung saan ang dami pong sumali na naman. It's a great success held at the Blue Eagle Gym in Ateneo.
Well, that's nice of them, to give back.
Here's the setup here for Sandra De Los Santos, and we are underway dito po sa ating first set. De Los Santos, we keep on mentioning, one of the futures of Philippine volleyball. Siguro in about 1 or 2 years, she'll be national team material already.
Look at her height, and in that play, what a good cut shot.
Right. Here's Macatuno on the setup now to Nerissa Bautista. Nice dig that time by Sartin. Here's De Luna going over to Diaz, who gets the start today. And here is Soriano.
Good defense.
And Janela gets it across on the free ball. Vasquez sets up Macatuno. Wala back. Yan ang madiskarting bata. So May Macatuno gets the first point for Adamson na rin.
That's right. We know why Coach Dulce has a lot of confidence in this kid. She's very smart. And when the play's going on, she mixed it up. She got the point. Easy point.
De Luna now going to what has been working. And it is De Los Santos once again getting her second point of the game. So now it will be De Luna, the captain nitong kupunan na Perpetual to serve. Of course, coached by Mike Rafael.
Well, the setter is actually doing a very good job in going to her.
Well, this is Pao Soriano doing what she does best, attacking there in front. So Soriano, actually one of the coaches at the intermediate level nung ating summer camp.
Medyo advanced na.
Sa intermediate level. Kasama niya dyan, actually, yung head coach nila doon, I don't know if head coach, pero yung coaches nila doon was siya, si Pao Soriano, Rachel Andakis, and Mayat Carolino. That's a pretty good
Which team
group.
is it?
The intermediate group. Yung beginners group naman, may hawak doon sa beginners group was Jeremy Makatangay, Angela Benting was also there, and Jem Ferrer.
Oh, that's nice.
Pretty cool.
Nice of them, yeah.
Tapos yung advance naman, tatlong kategorya. Yung advance naman, nandiyo si Joy Benito, Michelle Carolino, and Suzanne Roses.
Wow.
Galing, ano? Of course, they learned so much. Here's a long rally shaping up right here. Jonella keeping it alive. De Luna setting up De Los Santos. Laborte keeps it alive. Now they go to Nerissa Bautista. Blocked there by Datuin.
Aggressive blocking by Perpetual.
Perpetual is just covering so well right now. Diaz getting it across. Makatuno. This rally has gone on for over a minute, and it ends with Michelle Laborte getting the point for Adamson.
You can see how smart Mick Laborte is. She's out of position. You can see it's quite an awkward landing there, but she finds the hole in that Perpetual defense.
4-2 right now in favor of Adamson. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's got to be shaky. Soriano to serve once again.
Wow, that looked like it was going wide.
Yes, Sartin. Well, when you hesitate, you'd better just go for it,
Exactly.
Diba? Bautista, no hesitation that time, and Jonella not quick enough to get there. So all of a sudden, Adamson has turned the heat to high.
And Bautista is the culprit in turning the heat.
Right. Para sa shower, nagkamali ka eh. Minsan, di ba? Alam mo, nakaset lang dun sa normal.
Yes, sir.
Oh, mamaya mainit-init na rin. And
Smart.
again, De Los Santos out of nowhere. She owns all 3 points now for Perpetual. Good start for the young girl, Sandra De Los Santos. And Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League.
Well, all credit to the setter of Perpetual, totally outsmarting the blockers of Adamson.
Service error there coming from Sandra De Los Santos. So it is now Adamson 6, De Los Santos 3. Siya pala po nakagawa para sa Perpetual. That's right. Here's De Luna. This time they go to Diaz. Diaz dug up there by Bautista. Benting, first touch of the ball for Angela Benting. Here is Datuin going the other way for Diaz, who took her eye off the ball.
Exactly. She actually, her approach was there, very powerful, but that split second, taking her eye off the ball, she lost the momentum.
Bautista now to serve. Here comes De Luna, quick set para kay Tubino, and Tubino will score for Perpetual. So someone other than De Los Santos finally on the scoreboard for the Lady Altas.
Well, a rare miscue between Makatuno and Benting in that play.
And now Diaz, her name here written now is Nori Bain Diaz, but last time her name was Jane.
That's her nickname.
That's her nickname. So Jane Diaz, again a very good server. That was a sharp one right there. Benting, nice read by Diaz. That one will go long. And now the lead is just 2 points for the Lady Falcons.
Well, Benting tried to go down the line, although she was facing the cross court, kind of mishit that ball.
Now Jane Diaz, again with that wickedly sharp serve. Let's see if she continues to go to that. Yes, she does again, and this time to Shames Vasquez, one of the better liberos in the league.
Well, actually, it looked like it was going out.
Again, first set, girls still adjusting.
The girl.
The girls. But actually, pati sa kabila rin. Si Sartin din kanina was about to play the ball that was supposed to go out. And that one is definitely going out. So our first technical timeout will find Adamson up by 2 against Perpetual. We'll be right back.